Do, do, do. Let's get this all running, boy. Do 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 do. BYT do do do. What up, squad? What up, squad? Let's get this all sorted. Okay, okay. Welcome, welcome, chat. Let's get this all sorted. Let's get the magic keys on. I've got 2 monitors now, so we're all good. It's not as stressful as yesterday. Fucking hell. Lovely stuff. Open calc should be working here. And there we go. Oh my god, we dropped. Oh my god, GG. Wow, I missed that fucking move 15 minutes before I was gonna take trades. I fucking missed it. I was so annoyed. Right, so let's have a look what happened yesterday, guys. Let me just do an Instagram video. Oh my god, look at that fucking push down, bro. We are live on the stream. Let's go. Make sure you check out our link is in bio, YouTube channel. Oh wow, so you got the 30 pips on GJ. Fuck. I was so tempted to get it because basically I was waiting. I was up at this time. I waited for this candle. This candle looked promising here. Actually, let's just get a different color here. This candle looked promising, the red one, and then they started printing bullish. I was like, oh, I'm leaving it. And then 1/2, the volume comes in, close below, and oh my god, so nice, so nice. Just too nice, too nice. Right, so I'll do a fresh analysis of this. I'll also look at gold as well. We look at everything. Gold is moving, is it? Is gold moving? Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Okay, okay, okay. So the only issue I have is topping the resistance that I made yesterday. So we don't know how it will react on this level right here. This candle could print bearish and start to relax a bit, like down here, and come back down on support, or it could start to fill up the range up here. You'll have to wait. Like the stream, Lionel Richie needs hits. Oh god. The stream current bitrate. What the fuck is this? Don't know. We recommend using a bitrate of 45. Okay, so welcome, welcome. Also, we should have 1080p now, guys. We should have 1080p. Tell me if you guys have 1080p. We should be having 1080p. So yeah, what I'm thinking for gold here is I won't be looking for many plays right here because you could be hitting a resistance. Last day of the trading week, yes sir. But what I'll want is, you know, it could play in the zone here, could play in the zone here, etc, etc, etc. But then when we start breaking above here, this may be later on, this will be kind of the area I want to do, because if you look left, we have clean candles. If you look left, right here, clean candles. Back to the next zone here. So that's huge, huge level that we can get. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for gold here for a bit longer. Let's look at this. Okay. So let's have a look at GJ. GJ hit my level, which I said here. I marked this on at a London session yesterday. I said 152.900. If you get close below, you'll be grand. And there you go. It fell like a bitch. And I missed it by 15 minutes because I think I finished at like 2 o'clock. But hey ho, what can you do? Yes, guys, last trading day. Last trading day. But let's do a fresh analysis here now. Let's take all this off. So we're looking pretty bearish, guys, which is interesting. It's looked like we're leaving that zone, which is kind of good. I'm kind of happy about that. So the 4-hour flip. Yo, morning, morning, squad. Morning, morning. So we have a blue line here, the daily. It just flipped bearish. This is nice. This is nice. Oh shit, we're right on support. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. So let's have a look left. Where do you think we could end up? Well, we have a little level here. Could we still look for GJ sells, or is it oversold? Oh no, no. Trust me, when there's lots of volume for sells, trust me, there's always a bit more sells than you think. There's definitely room for sells. So this is the first kind of zone that we could come to, and this is only about 10 pips, which is unfortunate. From then we have zones lower to about here. This is kind of, I've seen these wicks here. This is kind of the next kind of level, I'd say. And we have a little liquidity wick here, which would be in about 7 pips profit. So that's alright, that's fine. It means that if price closes here and we do push lower, when we get to this level here, it could reject, but we'll just have our stops to break even, so that's fine. Lovely, lovely stuff. So this is kind of the zone I'm looking for here. As it's 22 pips. Let's look at the 4-hour here. Yeah, so 4 hours already exceeding this low here. I do expect price to start pushing down, and big target is down here actually as well. There's a big 4-hour target, and the reason why I picked this target is because of this. We have candles coming down here. We have candles coming down all the way here. Have supports here. Have supports here. So this is kind of the biggest zone here. And with momentum for Friday, this candle could actually just do this, or the next one, etc., etc. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, no important news exactly. So let's just check that again. I'm pretty sure there isn't because I checked yesterday. Yep. So no important news really. Got some French stuff, but apart from that, there is no news. So that means it's a very, very safe day to trade. There won't be any kind of issues with volume and stuff like that. So I'm just looking here at the 5 minutes of stuff. Let me have a look at the 15. Very, very strong candle. I do like. It has closed just a bit below. But to be honest with you, I'm probably going to wait for the hourly to close. Hopefully closes back down here, I think I'd say. Yeah, that's a nice wick fill as well actually there. But I'm just going to wait because it's very, very close in the daily. The daily is lit, so you can see this yellow line. That's where the daily flip is. So preferably I kind of keep away from that because it could suggest that there's a really big support there, as the daily's holding at the moment. So I'll just wait a little longer. But key sells are below here, I'd say. So 152.230 is what I'll be looking for. And buys will have to be above this region here. So buys will be, oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Above this zone here. Closures above this zone as well. Because this, why do I like buys above here? Well, this is resistance at the moment. This is current resistance. The 4-hour flip is there, and the daily flip's there. So when we do exceed and close above here, this will mean all time frames are bullish. That's what I want. 20 viewers in the chat, guys, on a Friday morning. Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, buys above here. So that's what I'll be doing here. I'll be putting it here. Buys above 152.540. This is the level I'm kind of looking at. And sells, they're a bit harder. Sells are a bit harder. 20 viewers, Raja, who never heard of her. 4 likes in the stream already. Oh my god, yesterday, people were here yesterday, that was so funny. Because I had one monitor, I had my YouTube on, and the likes didn't refresh. I was like, guys, where's my likes, bro? I just did a fucking 30 pip gold trade. And I was like, why am I stuck on 11 likes? Why is no one liking it? And then look, I was on like 80, I was on like 38. I was like, bruh. Morning, everyone. Morning, Eric. So this candle's going to close in 3 minutes time. If it closes bullish, there's not really a sign for us to push down. And I might have to wait for the hourly to close. Oh, this is looking good though. Let me just see here. Yeah, we'll wait until 3 minutes to see where this closes. But I want a sort of bearish, even if I want to look at trades. But it's quite close to the hourly, so I don't really know. Let's have a look here. The thing is, if we're leaving this zone though, it could be quite a good potential. Even though this is 10 pips, I can still close, have a stop loss here. So is it worth getting in? Let's have a look. Is it worth getting in? I do not know. I got 60 pips in G yesterday. Wow, yeah, the sells played nicely. Ooh, this is looking good now. Let me just do this. Let me just record. Oh, look at this. This is looking nice for sells. I'm not gonna lie, I may go for it. Oh, I just can't wait for the hourly to close and below here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. But I think this is a good opportunity if people want to get it. But I'm just gonna wait for this hourly to close because I think it's on daily support. But if you look at the 5 minutes here, if we exceed the lows, we should continue and fill this wick here. 5 minutes, 15 minutes looking good. We're leaving this zone now. Should come and fill. The only reason why I'm in it is because, not in it, is because this zone's too small for me. This is what I see in GU for buys. Patient pays, yes sir. Even though, yeah, this is looking nice now. We should continue. It's just got 2 minutes time. It's gonna have to make a top wick, and the hourly is about to close in 17 minutes. So I'd rather wait for the hourly, because if this hourly closes above resistance like here, then there's no trade for me. So I don't want to be in a trade before that happens. Really, I want to know the confirmation of the hourly. GU. So it looks like a lot of GU people are trading today. So let me just do GU for you guys. If you got any charts, feel free to send them in the chat. That'll be lovely for me. Let's have a look. We'll use Awanda. Right. So let's have a look at the daily time frame here, guys. Lovely, lovely. So this is for the daily. So the daily is a yellow line. Perfect. I'll lock that in place. And the 4 hours. So this is, if you guys are new here, this is exactly what I do every morning. Just with my lines. I have 2 horizontal lines which are coloured for the time frame. So we've got the daily and the 4 hour. And the 4 hour is always blue. I should kind of write that. I'll write that on my other one. So same kind of setup for GU. The only thing I can see here, which is a bit worrying, is, you know, we had kind of support here, we had resistance here, we had support here, we had resistance here. So this is quite a big zone. As long as we pass below this level, that'll be quite nice. So that's kind of the same thing for GJ. I want it sells a bit further below because we have a lot of wicks. Amazing, we have our first chart of the day. Cracking. We'll have a look at this. Take a look here. Oh wow. So this is GU. If rejected, this zone. Yeah. Okay. If that works for you, that's fine. So when did you get in? Like here or here? So you're expecting price to really reject. That's the thing. The thing is, expecting is not the same as knowing. So, you know, waiting for candles to close. If this candle here, if this red one here closes below support, like right here, then you know that it's going to come down. Waiting for the candle to close would be a lot easier. So you say GU is bearish. You try to pick bottom and tops isn't going to end well, guys. Yeah, very, very true. I can see how people want to get into the bottoms and stuff because they think it's support and stuff. But if that support gets broken, you're gone. But yeah, good stuff. Keep on sending in the charts, guys. I love the charts. I would say more buys above 138, 150 would be looking nicer, past that resistance. Let's see where GJ gold. So gold is, oh shit, I forgot this. Gold has tapped to the area. The only reason why there's no buys for gold at the moment is because we don't know what it's going to do on this area. We don't know how it's going to react. So yeah, let me just post this link. 24 viewers already, guys. Fucking hell, that's amazing. Amazing, guys. We're here every single day. We're here every single day. Right. Let me just do this. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Right, okay. Let's get off that again. So yeah, I'm waiting for gold. More buys above 1764. That may happen in the NY session. So let's look in further to this. We've done our 4-hour time frame here. So let's have a look at the 30 minutes. So the 30 minute has support and it's holding support right at this point. And as you can see, guys, GJ did not fall. This is why you're waiting for it. Like it up. Yeah, guys, like the chat, like the stream. I want to get oh my god, bro, if I got like 50 likes in the stream. I think I got 50 once, but I want it 100 one time. That'd be so sick. I hope the 1080p is looking. I hope the quality is looking nice. That's what I did last night. Made it look a bit nicer. So this is the zone we're playing in. So potential buys above 1.38150, and with volume, we should pass this level. And where are we going to come up to? Let's have a look left. This is the next kind of zone, I'd say. So we actually do have a nice zone to fill. So let's measure this here. So a nice 19 pip zone. That's the zone that I like. 10 likes in the stream already. Amazing stuff. So that's what I'm looking for buys here. So that's what I'm looking for buys. That's what I'm looking for sells. We're in this range. Let's just wait for a breakout and we should be good. All you got to do. Same with GJ, really. Same with GJ. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to think if I could get in earlier or not, but there's too much support here. Let's have a look. Suppose you could continue down, and when I get to here, I could have my stop loss to break even. So it's all right. Yeah. So let me just rectify this. I'm going to keep this in as a minor support. So minor supports I'm going to make as a smaller lines here, as it's been tapped a couple times, but not too bothered. The main support right here is the daily, which is right here. So it looks like GU and GJ are in this zone here. That's completely fine with me. I just need either a break above or break below. So let me just do an alert, because I expect price to actually be bearish today. So I'm just going to do an alert 337. Just in case we're on a different chart and I need oh fuck, I've already got a thing on. I might do. So yeah, we'll just need to wait for a break above or below in GJ and GU, and we should have a really nice trade. I can't believe I missed that trade yesterday, bro. Let's see how long I would have held this on for. So who caught this trade yesterday? I did tell you this on London stream. I said if you guys wait for volume to come later on in the day, if we get a closure below this zone here, you're good. And that came there. So your stop loss was, I think it was about 10 pips here. Let's have a look. Yeah, so 10 pips. Look left, fill in this range up here for like a 30 pip gain. Oh, bro, that would have been so nice. Fuck. And the reason why that's so nice is because look how clean the candles are, guys. Look how clean the candles are. This is what I'm talking about here. Clean candles. 1 second. If you look here, I'll get this fucking thing off. There we go. Clean candles, all the way up, and then all the way down. That's kind of what we're looking for. We were looking for the clean candle moves. That would have taken, look, 15 minutes. Oh no, sorry, 30 minutes. About an hour. You would have closed some very quickly. And 30 pips, man. So like for a 10 pip stop, so risk to reward was 3 to 1. Very, very nice. Back down to these lows, and not really there. I'll do it here. So great. I hope some people caught that and listened to me. I'm in this at the moment with stops above the 50-minute high. I do not know about that, because if your hourly closes above support here, there is no trade. I was very tempted to get in it there, but I also knew, you know, discipline and stuff like that. I would just, I don't know. It's looking like it's holding support here. This is the thing. So your stop loss is above the previous high. So right here. So how big's that stop? Ooh, a 15 pip stop as well. Fucking hell. Try and look at the 5 minute. Try and get out, to be honest, because we're holding support here now. Yeah, I do not know. So guys, the reason, and this is really, really good stuff here. So the reason why I don't really like any trades in here is because we're on a range, and also what I normally say is look at the daily time frame and look at the 4-hour time frame. Are they the same? Are they the same point in the direction? So the 4-hour is bearish. Can you see there? Red. The daily is bullish. So no trades at the moment, because that shows that different time frames are contradicting themselves. So you need to be careful with that. I always say this: make sure when you take a trade, the 4-hour and the daily are on the right bias, and if they're not, maybe just wait until they are, and the trade will be a lot easier. But yeah, as it closes below here and closes above here, we're going to be amazing for trades. Welcome guys in the chat, 34 viewers. Sheesh! We are growing every single day. Yesterday I got peak 51 viewers, which is amazing. Bearing in mind I've been doing this for 2 weeks or so. So you can see we did react really, really solidly off that support over there, which will be very, very big support level. Gold is coming back up to here. So let's have a look at our trade yesterday that we took. Where was it? Here. With this candle coming down here, then we start exceeding, staying here. That's when I got in, a celery play basically, and lovely, lovely trade. Especially with the 30 minute. Let's have a look. Yeah, 30 minute pushing. That was nice. Still quite choppy though here. If you look at, let's look at the thing I say again. When we're looking at gold, we should look at gold at 1 to 130. I think so. Let's try this again. So 115, 130. There you go. Look, 115, 130. Exact same move. Wait for you could wait for this candle to close bearish. Wait for the top wick. When the top wick flips here, you got a 20 pip stop loss, and you look for the next zone, which is down here. You got a 30 pip gain. Very easy at 130 at the moment, I think. Very, very easy. So your entry was 152.971. Let's have a look here. 152. Oh, for sells. You're in for sells. Imran is in the chat. Nice. Oh, you're in sells, Tom. 152.900. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'd suggest if you were in sells. Hello, Imran. I'll put my boy here. There we go. I suggest if you were in sells here, have your stop loss. If you got in above here, which you do, you got in here, around about here, I'd advise having your stop loss above this region here, because if price breaks above this region here, it's going to come back up to here, and then it might come back up to here. So what you need to do is, you know, take your profits. I'd put your stop loss 100% above these wicks here. So it means you have all of the growth for, you know, if we do start to decline again, but you have all of the, you know, your stop loss. You're still going to take some money out of the markets. That's one thing to do, securing profits. Make sure your stops there. Yeah, that'll help for sure, for sure. But yeah, we're just waiting here. Mad that move. So that move came at 2:30, which is one of the opens yesterday. But who got slapped? Be honest, who got slapped here? Oh, who got slapped in all of this crap? And I said even like here you couldn't get in because it's too like, too volatile. But that closure right there, that closure was key, very very key. And after doing that, I mean, amazing, amazing stuff. Do, 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 do. Yesterday sells, yesterday PM. Ah, okay, okay, yeah, yeah. So you got in here, nice, 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 nice. I was literally like 10 minutes off getting that trade, and I fucking left my monitor. Had to go do shit. So it looks like price is really, really holding this level here. Amazing stuff. Oh, it's a nice day in Leeds. Not too bad. It's quite sunny. How's Imran doing? Have you taken any trades today?
Morning, man.
Morning. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Nah, woke up a bit late. Haven't taken anything yet. I was
Lovely
looking
stuff.
at it yesterday with an NT,
Mm.
and I was looking at the break of the 4-hour lows.
Mm.
But
Mm.
how would you have entered yesterday's if you
Y-
get in?
Yeah. So was it near like 2 o'clock, like near 152,900 area?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So breaking the lows of the 4 hour there, that's a great entry as well. But I would have looked at the 30 minute, and I said so like here. Obviously, we had support and we held this. This is just a horrendous range. This zone right here, just a horrible range. And I said if we get a closure below this range, it'll be good. And that's what we did. But you have to be patient though, because obviously all these candles were wicking down, and everyone's like, "It's gonna fly, it's gonna fly." No, it only started doing it when you got a closure. We actually finally got the closure, and then price fell, and that was great because you got a 10 pip stop loss as well. But that's where I would have been in. So I would have, when this candle closed, I would have been in either just exceeding the lows when we started pushing again, with the 10 pip stop above, which is here, and I would have taken profits probably at this line here. And that would have been there. That would have been the move for me. But that's exactly really the same as yours, because your 4 hour lows is right there at 860. Um, so very similar trade, but just on different time frames. Beautiful. I think a lot of people got them in the chat, which is very very good. Um, amazing, amazing stuff. So the daily, yeah, I think we have some good momentum here to get some sells, continued sells later on. As you can see here, guys, if this was the 15-minute time frame, just try and picture this as a 15-minute time frame here. This is a very strong 15-minute candle. We've made a top wick, and if this flips, we're going to be good, aren't we? That's exactly my trade move every single morning. If this flips, we're good, and this is going to be the stop loss. Obviously, this is a 4 hour time. This is the daily time frame, sorry. But try and put that into perspective. If we do flip here and exceed these lows, we're going to be good for sells. So that's what we'll be waiting for here. The 50 minutes doesn't mean a bottom wick yet. Is it 8 o'clock yet? No, it's going to be 8 o'clock in 2 minutes. I'm trying to look for, see if we can get some impulses, but for me, I don't think there is any at the moment. Because the hourly hasn't closed, so look, if you look here, this is what I'm wanting the hourly to do. The hourly needs to close like this, because you need to close below support. If there's no closing below support, I'm not really happy, but it looks like we're going to get it, which is going to be nice. So I'm going to get my, I'm going to record my OBS, because I think maybe a trade might be on the way. Right, let's have a look here. So 15-minute time frame, looking good, looking good. Okay, so potential targets, we've got a nice wick to fill around here. We've got a wick to fill here, so it should be good. Should be good. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. That's good. Look at this. So the 5-minute starting to push heavily now. Just waiting for this hourly to close below support, or closer to support, like around here. Don't really want it closing above here. In 4 seconds time. And there we go. No trade for me at the moment, because the hourly didn't close below, the 30-minute didn't close bearish, and the 50-minute didn't close bearish. So for me, if this runs like this right now, flies, there's no really trade for me at the moment, at this point. Because all time frames here are bullish. I mean, even if you exceed the low here, you could try and do an impulse with a stop loss above. But for me, I'm gonna leave that for the next 15-minute candle. So what I'm expecting now is this next 15-minute candle to do something like this. This is what I'm hoping. If we can't get this, this is fine because the price might just move it straight away. But yeah, we make a top wick, whatever, we reject again. When we come down, we close above, below like this. And then this is going to be the same setup as yesterday, really. Close here below, and makes a little top wick, and then starts exceeding. That'll be the trade. It looks like we're going to be pushing now. Let's have a look at the 5 minute here, guys. Yeah, this is looking good for sells now. But it's how would you get in? So exceeded the lows here now. Should I do an impulsive? Should I do an impulsive? Nah, for me, no, not yet. I need a closure, but it's gonna run now. I'm gonna be safe with my discipline. But a lot of people could have got in there, especially these 5 minute candles here. Whoo! But at the moment, I'm gonna wait because this hourly hasn't closed yet. Not hourly. This 15 minute hasn't closed. If the 50 minute closes about here, that'll be really, really good. So look now, guys, if you got into this trade here, can you make sure that now, when you touch this wick here, around this area, you have your stop loss to break even? Because these wicks here show rejection. Okay, this is why, you know, waiting for closures can be a bit more stable, a bit more better confidence, because this candle here pushed all the way down, just like this one did, and wicked all the way back up. So if you're in a trade right now and you're in sells, you need to be having your stop loss at break even right now at this zone, because it could reject off and then fly back up. I hope not. I hope it keeps on pushing, which it looks like it will, but definitely stop loss to break even right now, 100%. Amazing. So continuing down now, this is looking good with the volume. This is the volume. Amazing stuff. But I wasn't happy to take that with the 15 and the 30 minutes. I could see it coming, but I wasn't too bothered. Amazing though. Anyone cash that trade? Anyone try to get in on the 15 breaking the low or the 30 minute breaking the low? Let's have a look at the chat. I'm on the 30 minute low. Amazing. A stop loss above the current candle. I say stop loss above the current candle. Wow. So look at this, guys. Here. Yeah, you're about 8 pips profit. Your stop loss should be at break even right now. We've tapped the next zone right here. We are tapping the next zone. So this is a very, very clear zone. I would, if I was you guys, if I was you and in this trade, I'd be taking off some profits now. Yes, we do have momentum, but if you look to the left where we are now, right here, look how many wicks. Wicks. This is the big support. Obviously with momentum you can get a runner and keep on going, but I advise taking some profits now. So that was really, really good. And the unfortunate thing is that the hourly didn't close below for me, so I'm not really happy with that. But that is just genuine discipline levels. That is what you want to see in the market. If this candle here, this hourly here, closed a bit lower for me, like here, I'd have been happy to enter. But for me, no. So if you got in, let's have a look at the 5 minute. If you got in like here, yeah, you got about 10 pips. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. And now continuation. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So now what I said before, you see the daily. The daily has made its top wick, and now it's flipping. And we should start to push quite nicely now. We're breaking these zones here. Amazing. So let's see this. My entry point is that. So lovely Tom Bailey should be in some amazing profits now. I'm on the 30 minute low. Amazing. Mini traps, is that your stop loss to break even? Yeah. I sold at 15248. Lovely, lovely stuff. And closed everything at 15224. Lovely, lovely stuff. Well done. I'm trying to hold 15189. So let's have a look at 15189. Where can I see this zone? 89 here. I'd be careful at 152. I'd say 152 is probably better. But 151 is 6. So kind of this area that you want it to come to. But you took off 50%. That's great. Lovely, lovely stuff. A solid 5 minute closure. To see how big this pulls up here, guys. This is why I'm saying at this level you need to take some profits. I don't say this to be stupid. I'm saying it genuinely because if you're looking left, there's so many wicks. And you have to, you have to always be careful. Even if it might not be 10 pips, the next zone you should be taking some profits off. So that's a really good trade that we talked about here, guys. So let's have a look at OBS. Let's do this. Trades talked about. GJ sells. Lovely, lovely stuff. Which have gone about 10 pips, which is mate. But really good. And also the hourly made its top wick as well, so that was fine on the basis. And maybe flipping that 50 minute was really, really good. Beautiful. Especially the volume. Amazing. Now if this candle flips here, oh my god. Oh my god. I even might be interested if that candle flips like. It's just this zone here though, fortunately. If this zone here is also a bit bigger, I would be more entitled. But at the start of the stream, if you guys are new here and you weren't at the start, I said I like this area, but the unfortunate thing is that it's very, very small. Only 9 pips. 5 min, please flip bearish. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Should do. It should do. Probability wise, it should do. It's made its top wick. It's got 3 minutes left, and it hasn't made a low wick yet. Most candles do. But it is also on support. But if this candle flips here, you should be good. Look at this flip. Look at this flip. 15217 is 15217 is a neckline for previous bull run during Monday, Tuesday. Not really sure. It's a head and shoulder neckline, so I'm definitely expecting a retracement at that level. Yeah, I think that comment is just. I think you're thinking a lot into it. I think if you just look left and see what's happened before, which you said you're doing. So 15217 right here. Yeah. There's a big wick here which could reject it, but we're also rejecting at this level here. We still haven't fit that candle, have we? Nope. Nope. Has GU pushed down? Oh wow, GU hasn't. What the fuck? Look at that. GU is still in that range. It hasn't really moved at all. In fact, it's gone up. So this must be something to do with the Japanese yen, maybe. So these 5 minute candles would have been nice here. So if you guys had a trade here, where was your stop loss? So did you get in on the 15 minute above the previous? Let's have a look. So if you got in here, yes, base. I told you it will fly. I don't think you're telling me. I think you're hoping. I hope it's gonna fly. But we've exceeded the low of the previous hourly now, so really good bearish pressure. But you always need to look left, and we are approaching this little zone here. 1 hour time frame, yes. But very, very solid candles here, and then came back into this zone. Lovely, lovely. And taking the profits here and letting a runner run is lovely, because this runner can run very, very nicely. For sure, for sure. No. Gold looking good, but no bottom wick and rejecting. Okay, let's have a look at gold. Yes, no bottom wick, unfortunately. No bottom wick. Yeah, just holding resistance here. Especially with the 15 minutes here. And hasn't made a bottom wick, you're very right. So in 5 minutes time, they should make a bottom wick here. Probability wise, I wouldn't be in that trade because there's no bottom wick. Give this guys a like, guys. We're nearly at 20 likes today. Calling out GJ bar sells there to the T. Very, very solid trades if you wanted to get in with your comfort levels. With London volume breaking the lows here. Very, very solid. And you actually got a really nice stop. The stops aren't too big, to be honest, if you look here. So if you got in here, the stop loss above, it's only 9 pips for like an 11 pip gain. It's really, really good. Lovely, lovely stuff. Hoping. Amazing. 31 viewers for a Friday, guys. If you haven't liked the stream or subscribed yet, make sure you do. I provide live streams every single morning. And actually, I'm going to go back on my live streams. I think I've done 1 losing trade since I've started. That was 3 weeks ago. Because I'm very, very picky. Very, very picky. Very picky with my moves. Um, but like I think the volume here at London, like this kind of push here, is a lot more easier to take trades than actually NY. I think NY is a lot slower now, especially with this crap. It took ages to break here. But people catching this 30 pip move yesterday would have really sorted their weeks out. So what are we looking like for the week? For the weeks. Past 2 days I made about 2.5%, so it's not too bad. Max, for yesterday's entry, I actually saw a move on the 4 hour. Looking at, oh yeah, it's yours, man. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. So yeah, what percentage are you guys up today or down today? Ask it in the chat. And how did that happen? Did you overtrade on one day? What percentage are you guys? Let's have a look. Let's have a chat. Let's have a look, guys. Make sure to put it in the chat. What percentage are you up, down? How much do you risk per trade? That'll be interesting. How much do you risk on a 10 pip trade? Still 2%? 2%? Nice. Not too bad. 2%. Always finish your Friday with a good trade, you know. If you don't win, because you're still holding this trade on. Yeah, but how much percentage did you risk on this trade? See what I mean? No, it's holding support here, guys. That's why I said take some profits there. Up 3% this week. Wow. Break even for this week for me, mate. A tricky August so far. Lol. Still time left though. Yeah, I think August has been fucking gash, but yeah. Risk 1%, got 2%. Amazing. Wow, so it looks like everyone is doing great. I'm up 18% for the week, but that's Nasdaq and GGIU set lot size, not percentage per trade, but account is up 18%. Lovely stuff. I know a lot of people that do that actually. They forget about how much the percentage and they just keep with a lot size that they're comfortable of losing or winning, and then after like 2-3 weeks, you just gain like fucking 30% of your account. I could easily do that. So if you had like a 200 £200 account and just kept it with a 0.1 lot, 0.2 lot, so 0.15 lot with a 500 leverage, and just forget about it, and just trade with the 0.15, you normally do pretty well if you can trade, obviously. But if you can't trade, you goose. Also, guys, I'm gonna be doing this soon, and this is gonna be amazing. So, I think a second here. So I'm going to be looking to open a PAM account. I think it's a PAM or a MAM. Multi-account manager. I think this is it. So basically, you guys could pay me a fee, and all it does is copy my trades. And that is nice because it's not like Signals, because I don't have to set it up. You literally you have your MetaTrader, log into it and link it with mine, and basically every trade that I do, you do as well. And I'm pretty sure I can just charge you whatever, like a monthly. So let's have a look. All clients, let's see, a MAM account. All audit orders. Manage monthly, quarterly, annual reports through MetaTrader. Commissions and performance. Actually, I think I just get. Wow, is this the new in IC markets? I think it's been here a while. Actually, I just looked at it because Raj has got one. How much monthly will I charge? Depend. I'll have to see because it's quite. I don't know, maybe like $20. $20 or so. But I want to know if because I know Raj's on his broker. His just you can just set how much people can pay. I don't know what it says in here. I'll have to have a look. I'll have to research it a bit more. Someone says gold is coming down. What do you think if gold sells? No. The 4 hours bullish, the daily's bullish, the hourly's bullish, the 30 minutes bullish, the 15 minutes bullish, the 5 minutes bullish. So hell no. Oh my god, 30 viewers. Man, we've been averaging 30 viewers are great. Yes, Raja spoke about it, but he has he's had a losing week all week, so it's a trust factor. Not saying we don't trust you, it's just really trust the trade setup. But the thing is though, is it's just exactly oh, because it's got no bottom wick. Yeah, but still, so you can't just do a trade because of that. Um, Raja had a bad week this week, but then just did a gold sell, which he said he wasn't going to do, cheeky cunt. I remember, I saw that in the chat. You get a percentage each trade, not a monthly, so you're getting much more. Oh, yeah, but yeah, so Imran said about IC markets, I get a percentage of commissions. I don't really like that because I don't want the commissions. I want someone to pay me monthly because that's a lot more. Because if you link your account with mine and it's only got £100 in it, then like I get like fucking 70p. Like that's like shit. I'd rather just set up a signals like. Like I just set up a signals, pay £20 a month, and then just send the signals in the chat. That's exactly what that is. It's just a PAM account's easy. I don't have to worry about it. But it's funny as well because there'll be so many people like it, and these PAM accounts be like, "Oh, stop loss matters. Why have you only done like one trade this today?" It's like, well, bro, because there's only one setup, you fucking retard. Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to do a shit trade and then you lose some money? Like, um. 1 second here. Luke Trade London is sell from the top of the wick. Luke Trades London, I have no idea who that. Well, I think I know his stream, but I don't know how he trades. He might be in for what gold sells. Yeah, fair. He could do that. He could do that. I wouldn't be in gold sells right now because nothing is bearish. But it might work for him. It might work. Would you enter GJ sells in the break of the 15-minute? Let's have a look here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh mate. There's just so much traffic here, bro. But if you're in one now, bro, this is gonna fly. But for me, it's too choppy on the left. But now we've made this flip now. What I would do, guys, if you were still in this trade, I'd actually put your stop loss here now. 1 second. I'd put your stop loss here. Because theoretically, you shouldn't flick this wick back up, really. You should continue down. That's how you should manage your trade here. And how much is that here? Yeah, so 6 pips. So I would keep it. Your stop loss here. You get 6 pips profit, lovely. You've got all of the exponential growth here with none of the drawdowns. You're gonna take it off here. If this candle flips back up and exceeds the high of the wick it's just made, then it's not gonna be a good trade. It's gonna probably come up and hit you fucking break even. So always think about that. Do you have PAM account and traders domain? No. So I only trade with IC markets. So I don't have any traders domain or Dominion. But I'll have a look at them. It's just IC market spreads are so nice. Like every time I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's just amazing. It's like 1 pip, if that. Cool. Most days it's like 0.6. All right, we're going now, guys. Look at this. Bye, GJ. Wave it bye. Bye, GJ. It's going away. That's good though. I want it to be honest to break around at this fucking range it's been in for 15 days. Like, oh, the traffic, bro. But this is looking good now. We flipped this candle. As long as you have a bit of momentum and exceed the low at 211, it should be good. Stop loss, you should be here. If you're going to re-enter, yeah, wait until you see the low. But also I wouldn't really re-enter because of these wicks here. So many wicks there. Wow, this chat is getting a lot better, guys. We're speaking a lot more. I'm loving this. Imran says, not a monthly, so you're getting much more. He trades order blocks. The order blocks. Do you watch football? Yes. Yes, I do. I watch football. I like football. That PSG team, bro, they're still not going to win anything. Mark my words. Right, guys, so exceeded the low here. So even if you want to re-enter, you could probably re-enter. But, yeah. Stop loss here, just trail it down. That's what you should do, trail it down. So who's in it? Who's in a trade right now in this? I think mini taps stop loss should be there, bro. For sure, for sure. This 30 minutes looking good. This 30 minutes looking nice. Just needs to exceed. Come on. Come on. What's this? Oh my god, this chat's huge. Bad because he's a course jumper. Who the fuck's... Oh! I just want to hear your side. Well, my side for that was just... Fucking hell, why have I got a cold cup of tea again, man? I do it every morning. Yeah, gold is no sell for me. I'm not paying attention to GJ. What's this? IC markets is really good withdrawals and deposits. So easy. Yeah, bro. IC markets withdrawals are the best in the game. I'm sorry, it's so much better. Like, my withdrawals are literally the next day. If I do a withdrawal on Friday, it'll be there on Monday. If I do a withdrawal on Wednesday, it'll be there on Thursday. It's fucking fire. You're a pretty laid back streamer. Yeah, I'm pretty laid back. I like being laid back. I also make it a bit of fun as well. I don't make it boring. It's just some streamers are just boring. So, do you trade NY? Yes, I do. Do you withdraw with crypto? No, not for IC markets. Fun and Talent does though. Fun and Talent does. Funding Talent does. Okay, GU. You need to break this zone over here. If we get a 50-minute closure down here, let's make this line less like a thicker boy. Right here. That would be nice. That would be nice. I'm planning to get magic keys. Yes, get them. They're really, really good. Here we go, guys. We should continue now. Obviously, this has got 7 minutes left. Do you prefer Fun and Talent or FTMO? I think they're both good. I prefer Fun and Talent because there's no percentage you have to get. It's just whatever. And you get bi-weekly payouts. Fucking sick. When I started trading like 4 months ago, like properly with Fun and Talent, I was making like, because you get bi-weekly payouts, you get two. So like the first, I was doing a 25k account, and if you look here, 25k account, so 25k account, and every 2 weeks you get paid. So I average like 4% or 5% each week, so it's like 10% for 2 weeks. So that's what the fuck. So 10%. So that is 10% of how many lots? So 10%, 2,500. So I get basically 250 for the first payout. Then the second payout, obviously I'm up 20% now. So that's another 500. But then you add it on, it's because it's gross, so 750. And then the rest. So I'd get 1,000 of real money coming into my bank account, and I did that for like 4 weeks. Yeah, like not 4 weeks, 4 months. And obviously, I just deposit this into my real account, into my like IC markets, and I've had like fucking 4 grand. That's kind of how it works. That's why I like it. I like it. And that's without even having the thing. What's the spreads like on Fun and Talent? Amazing, amazing. Spreads are probably the same as IC markets, maybe a bit bigger, but also there's no commission on it. On the demo ones when you're trading normally without the real cash, there's no commission, so you get a lot more profits. Because at the start they had like loads of commission. When was the recent flash crash in gold? Fun and Talent sent emails to everyone saying gold cannot be traded no more. A bit sad. Yeah, that's a bit rough. That's on the real accounts, yeah. Yeah, so you can see here now, we can see the highs. I'll be out of this trade now. Hell no, it's holding this support here. GU coming back up. Gold is Luke Trade still in sells? Doesn't look like sells to me. If we do close back in this range up here. This 50-minute candle isn't giving me much confirmation to continue though. But how big is this range here? Wow, nice range. 30-minute, nice. Yeah, so maybe this could be an opportunity for buyers actually. If this 30-minute closes above here, above this bar I've made, and it makes a really big lower wick, and then starts exceeding, I'll be in that. For sure, for sure. 29 views in the chat. Let's get these likes up. 25 likes. Let's get 25 likes, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go for Friday. Ooh. For Friday then, a Saturday, Sunday. What? Oh, it doesn't have a bottom. It has a bottom. Doesn't have a bottom wick, does it? Yeah, it doesn't have one. If it doesn't have a bottom wick, then I'm probably gonna leave it. And if it's closed like that anyway, that's a shame. Bottom wicks though, very very important, very very important. If people don't know about them, get to know about them, boy. Oh, bro, we've seen this. We've seen this. I'm just gonna go off topic for a sec because trading, ranging. We need a closure above, but there's no bottom wick, and GJ is hitting the next zone. But if you look here, let's go, my dads. There is a new. Oh fuck, it's not on here. Wait, is he doing it? Yeah, look, this is the new Countach. So we've got an old one at home. Oh shit, that is the old one. And there, oh, cool, wicked. So yeah, look, it's got the old one in the background, and then this new one. £2 million it is. Sheesh. Oh, he posted something else as well. So that'll be pretty cool. It's on their page. Yeah, let's have a look. Lamborghini. Let's have a look here. Oh, it hasn't posted big pictures, has it? Yeah, bro. I still prefer the old one because we've got one of them. It's fire. That is pretty cool, though, man. It's named after the big boy Countach. We got that nice red one. Went to Silverstone with it. Yeah, that's our blast. Cool, wicked. But yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely cars. I'm into cars, by the way. I'm a big car fan. I'm not gonna lie. Favorite German car, what, of all time, or like favorite make or German car of all time? Favorite German car. Ooh. At the moment, it'll probably be. I really like this car. This is actually a car that I'm looking for. Car make. Oh, car make. So this is what I like now. A BMW M2 competition. They're fire. They're really fun to drive. But make, it's gonna have to be. It's gonna have to be this. It's gonna have to be this. I hope it's Porsche's German, isn't it? Yeah. M3 E92 for me. Yeah. I like all the BMWs, the new ones. Mercs on the other hand, hell no. Don't even pass me a new fucking E63. Why are they called E63s and they don't have a fucking 6.3 litre V8? Fucking V8 in it. It doesn't even have a fucking V8. It has a V8, but it's not a 6.8. Not 6.8, 6.3 litre. It's a fucking bi-turbo. It's shit. You love Audis. I like the. I actually think I like this more than the Lambo truck. Look at that. I think they look fire. I like actually all the new ones, the new Audis, the RS3. I think the new RS3 looks pretty fire. The new one. Yeah, look at that. Nice. But to be honest, I'd rather have a BMW M3. I just would. Even though the new grille looks a bit oof. Yeah, look at that. That's cool, wicked. And you could drift it and shit. But yeah, like one of these. Why is it fucking caps? Holy shit. So, please, right, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna ask you guys this, and I hope you fucking agree. Holy shit. So, what is this car, right? Say it with me now. Garbage. Garbage. Okay? Now, let's go down here. Not that fucking old. Holy shit. Wait, 2012. Where's the fucking? Why are they gonna be saloon ones? I want the coop one. Here. This is a real one. The engine in it is fucking sexual. Look. Look how nice that bonnet is. So much better. Like it just looks aggressive. The new one looks like ass. GJ. Bye GJ. This is actually looking good for the 30-minute. It's just too early on in the candle. Hourly. So your stop loss will be here. Stops. Yeah, but I think that's that's how it is, bro. The amount of times that would happen. Yeah, those big wicks. Those big wicks I ain't looking at. I can just see price. If price goes here and you're still in, but stop loss should have been there after that because the candle flipped, and if it came back up, bro. Mini taps. You got some profits though. You got like 7 pips. That's exactly what I would have done, and that would have been nice. So look at this. Couldn't close above, and now the hourly is good to make a bottom wick maybe. The hourly is going to make a bottom wick, and that'll be amazing. What is your guys? What is your favorite car of all time? What is your favorite car of all time? Favorite. Actually, oh, I think I've got one now. Yeah, it used to not be this one, but now it is, bro. This is probably my favorite when I was younger. Yeah. Tesla. Ooh, which Tesla? We've got a P100D. P90D, sorry. So, a Cinque, yeah, this one. Oh, look at that one. Fuck yeah. Oh, below. So, these Zondas will be up there. But for me, personally, and we nearly bought one of these. This is the best car ever. This is the best looking. It is the best driving. It's the nicest loud. It's loud. It's oh, look at that. We were looking about 10 years ago to look at one of these. These were about 200 grand. Now they're worth like 1.4 million. So great. Opinions on electric cars. Amazing. I think they're fun. I think they're fast. I don't think they really do much for the environment apart from the air pollution in the cities. That makes a difference. But apart from that, like I don't get why people think they're so good. Like environmentally, the electric is still being made in the fucking coal by, like you know what I mean. It's still being the electricity doesn't just fucking come from thin air. Yes, it's not directly polluting your cities because the cars isn't producing anything, but still making the car and like fucking putting the electric. Do you know how much batteries take of like fucking the environment, like all that lithium and shit? Nah. So I think environmentally, I think it's not the way forward to be honest. But for like performance, bro, they're fire. My dad's Tesla fucking fast, like holy shit. Shit, that just scares me, bro. 26 viewers in the chat, lovely, lovely, lovely. So GJ later on, let's have a look here. GJ later on, we've still got the zone to fill. I'm still quite happy to look at this. As long as you pass that zone here. Wow, look at this. So GU here is still holding this level. Now gold shorts. For me, there's still nothing, and there's still no shorts because of the high time frames. But what I can see happening is price starting to relax. It needs to make a support somewhere, and I think support will come around about this area here. Yeah, 1 hour rejecting heavily. Sure is. But getting into it for sells, there's no sells. The electric comes from coal power. Bro, I do like the electrics. I do like them. I like that new Porsche actually. That new Porsche is quite good. Like exceeding the highs again. If you have solar panels, fair enough. Yeah, fuck that. I don't have solar panels. So look, in 24 minutes time, guys, if this candle closes above back in this zone on support, you know that this is a very, very tricky area. Very, very tricky area. And this is why I didn't really like it, because I knew there was this zone here is very, very small. Even though it did push, hit my zone here, and now we're retracing off it. So this gives you confirmation that you know where your zones are drawn. I can actually just do this up a bit here, so there. But that is mad. So like I literally said, we've got a next zone here to the left. We need to be careful. Comes down, taps it, and now retraces back off it. I think personally that deserves 25 likes. 25 likes, boy. Mate, GU, man. Come on, what are you doing, bro? Look at all this stuff. 30 minutes printing bullish. Nice. How's the quality, guys? Is it 1080p? The 1080p in that bitch? Oh, Danish pips use different trades and funded talent. Do you think London volume is consistent? I think London volume at the moment is consistent. I think there's quite a lot of volume. But I know a lot of months where there isn't, and you need to be able to identify them and stay the fuck away. This is why, my discipline rules right now of like waiting for top wicks, waiting for like closures and stuff. The reason why I'm not getting many trades right now is because I know when the times come, people who are trying to impulsively get into stuff like this are going to get slapped in the ass. And for me, I don't want to get into that rhythm of taking those trades as impulsive ones. I want closures above, below, above, and sometimes I miss trades, but that's fine. Completely fine with me. Completely fine. Danish pip says they don't pay out, bro. My pays have been fine. I keep on messaging them quite a lot though. I keep contact with them. I keep contact. 22 likes in the chat. Lovely, lovely stuff. It's got another hour, so there's still a lot of time to get some moves. In both directions here. This hourly is gonna make the bottom wick. You can see it. Which is what we said. The reason why I didn't want any buys here really is because there's no bottom wick. And now there's gonna be one. That's right. That's great. 4-hour daily looking good. The only thing with the daily for gold, which I can see, is here. Go on there as well. So we are at a big resistance level here, and that's why I said closures above here would be nice. We haven't got them yet, so that's fine. Oh shit. Oh wow. I think this is how I make my things look better. What the fuck? Okay, so if I go like this. So if I draw now, like this. Ah, this is much better. Fuck, I was using the wrong one the whole time. No wonder I found it hard. It's still fucking hard, I'm not gonna lie. Nice, okay. That's good I found that then. Cool, wicked. But yeah, we're gonna be making our low wick here now. GJ. Still holding this level right here. The 30 minutes still has 20 minutes left. Now, if we do flip and exceed again, we could be in for some more bearish runs here. But sells below 224 is probably where I'd like to look for, because we're clearing this zone here, these zones here. Let's look at the hourly. Yes, the hourly still has 20 minutes to close as well. I'm just going to keep an eye on this 30 minute here, but we shall see. It's just these wicks to the left are really, really not nice for me. Unfortunately. 23 likes in the chat. Shee. Oh my god. This week's been interesting though. So if you look actually back at this week, so what day did we start? So it's the 13th now. 13th now, so what, like kind of here area. So we are ranging hard at the start. Oof, oof, oof. We've got some nice bearish movements here, though, actually. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Nice. And then ranging for like 3 days straight, and then we're coming back down, which is good though. At least we're breaking that zone now. I've got away from there. Holy shit, I was so bored of that zone here. So in 8 minutes time we're gonna get 3 minutes time we're gonna get another bullish closure. If this 30-minute does flip, this could be a nice opportunity. And I said that this is a better zone here for me. 23 pips. But prefer a nice 15-minute closure. So I'll have to wait for that. Potential sells, I'd say below this kind of region over here. Yeah, like there. I may go for it for a Friday push. And this will be a stop loss. So if you get in like here, it's like an 8 pip, 7 pip stop loss. That's not too bad, to be honest. Okay, we got another question from Imran. Got a long ass question marks, but how would you approach gold? I've been looking at it quite some time. I dig Don, but I feel like your style suits me best. For example, Don prefers trades with 25, 30 pip stop loss, but then putting stops at break even at maybe 7 and secures at 10, but letting a trade run into 50 and draw down and then managing risk. How would you go about trading it on the one account? I mean, you have to win 2 trades to be at break even at that point. Yeah, actually, I've seen him do that quite a lot. Yeah, maybe not 25, 30 pips, maybe like 15, 20 pips. But for me, normally, if I trade gold, I have like a 15, 20 pip stop, and I'll have a oh shit, we're gonna be flipping in a sec. I'll have 15, 20 pips stop, and I normally take profits at 15, 20 pips. I only get into a gold trade when the zone I'm looking for to fill is 15, 20 pips. And yeah, I'll do the same as him as in like if I was in like 7, 8 pips. Actually, no, maybe more like 10 pips profit. I put my stop loss to break even, but normally I do secure like 15, 20 pips on gold if the zone is big enough. So I'd advise, yeah, 25, 30 pips is a bit too big. That's why I kind of wait for the top wicks and then put them over the top wick instead of like the last candle. It makes sense for me. But yeah, I'd say having a tighter stop loss by waiting for the current top wick or the bottom wick to be made will make a big difference for that. And yeah, securing, make sure when you're in a gold trade you've got a big enough zone. So like the reason why I didn't want to get into buys here really is because this zone is, oh no, this zone's fucking huge. Sorry, I didn't mean that. That's a lovely zone, but basically I want the zone to be, you know, plentiful. So like here, like 50 pips. So there's lots of room to get, you know, your 20 pips in. Are you partnered with Control FX? No, but he's my boy. I really enjoy his streams and he provides a lot of value, so he's a good lad. Have you taken any grade on GJ? Yes, grade. GJ gave me an A+. No, I actually haven't yet. I haven't taken a trade yet. No trade yet. But we're just waiting. I think this 30 minutes having a little breather. In 50 minutes time, the next one's going to close, but this one's just started here. I'll be waiting for a 50-minute closure. No trades yet, no trades. And GU is very, very quiet today. Didn't this big move and it's having a little reaction. Fuck me, that was a huge move. Is that all yesterday? Oh my god, yesterday was fire for GU. Very, very clean candles to the left. Very, very clean candles mimicking here. Holy shit, so you could have got in. Let's have a look how you could have got in here. So GU I think is a bit more emphatic in like the 15 and 30 minutes. Not as clean because like look at here. Closure below, it's at support. Get another closure, so nice. Probably enter here. If you don't take profits here, you're gonna get wicked out. Then it starts to continue. Then another wick up. It's like it's not as flowing as nicely. So like look at this move and then look at GJ. Yeah, 30-minute time frame. Can you see it's less like that? Like there's only one and it didn't even exceed the high. It's more constant, you know, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Whereas this one you would have got wicked out on like the last 30 minute and like a clear break below support. This is why I prefer GJ.
Max, sorry,
Hello.
that 30-minute from yesterday.
Mhm.
I was actually thinking of you. How would you have executed? Would you have executed on the open of the new candle because there was no top wick?
There's a little top wick, but yeah, with volume, I would have been happy to have done that. Maybe waiting a bit further. Maybe probably I probably didn't exceed in these lows here. So can you see this here? 1 second. Can you see this? I probably had a sell stop below there because we have wicks here. We have wicks here. I want it to be below, exceeding those wicks first. So it would have been here, and then stop loss would have been above the previous. That's how I would have done it. And I only would have done that move because I know that is it half two? Yeah, half two is volume. So volume, is fine. If this was any other time of the day, really, apart from London Open, I wouldn't really be happy with it. I'd rather have the bit of a top wick, bit of a further top wick. But because it was at this time and we closed below, I wanted to be in that trade because we've closed. So I would have entered pretty much instantly as long as we broke those lows here. For sure, for sure. So this 30 minutes coming. Oh, bro, I might actually get in here. 30 minutes flipping. I'll have a stop loss above the previous 30 minute, which is very, very nice. Yeah, maybe. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So my stop loss is very, very good. I'm going to wait until we exceed these lows here on the 5 minute to actually come down further. I'm going to wait a bit more. Just these 15-minute candles are a bit annoying, but if we do start exceeding here, we've got a nice zone to fall. Because these 15-minute candles are very, very weak here. But I just still need to wait a bit further. It's not a good confirmation yet. How come we don't trade US30 and NAS? Because that's just not what I want to trade. I haven't even looked at them. I know you can get a lot of big moves on them, but I also know it's very, very volatile and you have to be in and out quickly, and it's just a bit oof. I don't know. I just haven't looked at it really. I want to trade gold. Yeah, so US30. That's the reason why. Let's look at this 5 minute now. Okay. Bit further, and I may take an impulsive here on this candle closure. On the 5 minute maybe. Let's see where this 5 minute closes. If it closes solidly here, I'm gonna take a trade. If not, so I want this 5 minute here to close like this. Below support. Let's get rid of this. And let's wait 1 minute and 26 seconds. It's a very, very delicate situation here for continued sells. We've got 11 minutes left of the 30 minute. That is enough time for it to push down. If this was maybe 3 minutes or something, I wouldn't even touch it. But because you've got 11 minutes, we've got a lot of time. So you need always look at the time here. How long has this candle got left? Because yeah, it might look like it's pushing now, but it's got, if it had like 2 minutes left, how far do you think it's going to push? Probably not that far. Alrighty ho. Right, we're going. Let's 40 seconds left. Waiting for 35 seconds to come. Right, I think I'm gonna enter here right about now. Wait, why is it not allowed to? Why is it not allowed to? The fuck? It's not letting me do it yet. 1 second. What the fuck, bro? Right, we've got a 5 minute closure below. I'm happy with that. Unable to open trade. 1 second. Why is this not letting me do it? Right, I'm just gonna do it in here then, motherfucker. So I'm waiting for this top wick, and then when we start flipping, that'll be good. 1 second there. Why is my magic keys not working? That's so annoying. Oh, is it because I've got no auto trading on? Oh, that's why. Okay. Lovely, lovely stuff. Here we go. Right. There we go. We're working now, boys. So I'm in a trade here. The 30 minutes coming, the 15 minutes coming. Let's have a look here. Lovely stuff. My stop loss is above this kind of zone here. So let's just mark this out here. I'm in a short position. This is going to be a nice. I have a nice stop loss here. Really, really nice. I expect price to continue pushing to exceed the lows here, and that's what I'll be looking for. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And let's have a look left here. So when we get to this wick fill here at 158, my stop loss will be at break even probably. I'd say this is quite a risky trade, but it's a bit of fun on a Friday. We have got this 5-minute closure above as well. How am I going to manage risk? How am I going to manage risk here, guys? So what I'm going to do is, if we do exceed the high the previous, I'm going to take off 75%, or maybe 100%. We'll have to see. Yeah, I don't actually want this candle to flip, so my stop loss I'm actually going to move here now. Okay. This has been a nice fun trade for the morning. So my stop loss is here. So my stop loss is 4 pips above the previous 5-minute candle. And we should leave this zone. Bye, GJ. Bye. Lovely, lovely stuff. Yeah, so 30-minute is the candle I'm doing it on. Obviously, I'm not basing it on the 30-minute because my stop loss is a lot less. But the reason why I'm doing that is because just for tighten stops, because we're at this little zone here and the 15 minutes are a bit on support. That's all right, though. I think we're breaking with this 5-minute candle. Got 2 minutes 42 left of this candle. If you do come back up and exceed the high, I'll be out of this trade. But this is really good risk to reward here. Nice stop loss. Nice stop loss. And this could be the first loss of the stream basically ever. The last loss I did was probably like 15 days ago. Not 15 days ago. Like 10 days ago with a -3 pip stop. So it looks like it's holding. Looks like it's holding. I expect this 30-minute, to not really flip, to be honest. The flipping will make it a bit less like, oof. If it flips here, I'm basically out. And this will be the last trade of the week, I think. Let's have a look at let's have a look at gold now. Not too bad, not too bad. Is GU also breaking? Let's have a look here. Okay. GU's looking nice. GU's looking nice. Okay. So if you look here on the time frame here, yes, 6 minutes time. If you get a closure, that would be nice. I'm not gonna lie. That would be a solid trade actually. 34 viewers in the chat. Wow. Welcome. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do. Currently in a GU sell, breaking support here on the 30-minute time frame again. Very small stop loss, which I'm very happy to hold. Basically on the high of this 15-minute, which is grand. What's your name? Maxi boy. Stop loss matters, bro. Especially in this example, stop loss does matter. Look at this shit. Very tight stops. Very tight stops for a Friday. It's Friday then. So this 5 minutes going to close in 40 seconds. This is not the best 5-minute closure. I expect price here to do this. Phew. That's what I wanted. We've still got 26 seconds left, to be fair. Has gold actually retraced this whole way? Still, gold hasn't made a top wick. This is why, taking those impulsive gold trades may not actually work. You have to wait further. But yeah, it's holding this level here, which is fine. Completely fine. And yeah, it's going to be a lovely Friday morning. And I love managing risk. So look at this 5 minutes close back in. Not very happy at all. But I'm still going to hold it because it's such a tiny stop. Very happy to hold this. But look at that. So 5 minute close back in. That's mad. So it should wake me out now, to be honest. But I'm just going to keep it in for the chat. Keep it in for the chat. But look at this. So look, this is where the support is. I'm not gonna lie, very very big support. So you know, even as 30-minute was starting to push, it's got 4 minutes left. So you know, managing risk is key. So I'm gonna actually take some risk off here soon. But that's mad actually. Sorry, I got in like here. That's why my stops 4 pips. These long weeks, my boy. But with price, we should still start pushing down, boy. I would like that. Oh, this area is so nice to fill though. This is why I took the risk, because we've got a very small stop loss, and the gain is going to be pretty huge if we keep on pushing. With this bearish momentum coming from London Open and all that good stuff, the only issue is that this 30-minute now is going to close very very weak. But it's still got 3 minutes. Still got it could do a lot in 3 minutes. 34 concurrent viewers, 27 likes. Amazing, guys. Make sure to like that stream, guys. We here every single day. Obviously not weekdays, because I don't trade crypto. So in 50 minutes time, not 50 minutes time, in 3 minutes time, are we going to get the closure below? Are we? Are we going to get it, boy? It's looking good. Oh, that 5-minute close bullish as well. But we'll have a see. We'll have a see. Yeah, 3 minutes time. New hour top wick is scary. Very, very true. Very, very true.
You know, like managing risk and stuff, it's all very subjective. But I must say, like, out of everyone that I've watched, you know, I've watched Raja for like the past year. I think your style of managing risk is probably the best.
Cheers, bro.
I enjoy the way you manage risk, and you know, I really like it a lot. I must say.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I think that's one thing that I try and focus on, because that's the one thing you can really control. And speaking about managing risk, I'm going to be off here soon. But yeah, I think you know, making your stop losses and stuff a lot tighter, instead of just taking risk off, is a lot better. You know, I know that if this candle flips here, I'm not going to be in the good position. So why would I hold it on for over here? It's just a lot better, and it means that, you know, people who, you know, are taking these, you know, big like 3-to-1 risk to reward trades and stuff, you know, yeah, that's all good in that. But I personally, for me, half of my trades I get stopped out at like 5-6 pips, and I take profits at 15, 20. So it's like, it's a massive risk to reward for me. So that's why, you know, keeping them really tight. Yeah, I get stopped out quite a lot, not as much as people think probably. Like I just got stopped out there. Beautiful. But my actual profit is so big. This is why I took this every single day, because we flipped, and you know, even though these candles before were really, really bullish and we are holding support, that was a risk I was willing to take, because my stop loss is so small, and the range I was going in was fucking 23 pips for like a 4-pip stop. That's, you know, that's 1 to 6, you know, it's a nice, it's a nice, that's how you do it. So look at this, guys. If this hourly closes back up here, this is a heavy support. Oh my god. So let's just write this here, guys. First loss of the week. Let's do this. GJ minus 4 pips. First loss of week. Beautiful. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look at GU. Oh my god. So GU, this is why waiting for candles to close there, especially. Holy shit. Like, tapped it, ran back up again. Beautiful. So yeah, this is actually a thing for me. Even if we got a closure below there, that's what I was anticipating. We actually got the 5-minute closure, so I was doing it on the 5-minute time frame. So this is why my stop loss is in the 5 minutes. People didn't get that. My stop loss is above here, but then I was like, you know what? I'm going to put it here. And you can see why now. Look, these candles here. Why would I keep my stop loss here when we can't respect this zone? When we had a closure below. When we have a closure below, we should be ready to stop pushing down now. And that's what happens. So here I would have got stopped out for a full 10 pips. But because I closed out here, it was only 4. That's called managing risk, boys. That's the main goal if you like how I manage risk and all that kind of stuff, make sure you like the stream. These are the streams you should be looking for. I mean, it's the first stream basically of me taking a loss, but in general, you know, go back on these streams. I might actually put a playlist of all my losing trades, because they're the ones you should look at and how I manage, because that's how it is. Managing is great. Trash volume. I think volume's been alright here. Yeah, maybe not for the other ones. GJ's been alright at 8 o'clock though for there. But apart from that, yeah, nothing much really. But that's fine. So here, so for example, yesterday and the day before, I took 2 trades, and people on the stream when we took the gold trade, I should have had that longer, but my magic key wasn't working on gold, so that was annoying. But let's take a look at this. How the fuck do I do this? Here we go. But yeah, so yesterday and the day before, I just checked that I made 550, and here I just made I just lost 165, I think. So you can see from 3 trading things, you know, my losses are so much more than my winners, and that's how it should be. Can't even get 15 pips. Yeah, it's true. But sometimes that happens, you know. We had a big move yesterday, so you know that's what happens. Wow, 30 concurrent viewers, guys. Make sure you get them likes up for managing risk there. So total I risked 10 pips, and I got out at 4. Amazing. Thank you, my boy. See you later. Have a solid weekend, Imran, in the Zoom chat. So yeah, you can see GU, bless it. But thing is though, guys, this is a really good opportunity. When you wait for closures above here and closures below here, you're gonna have some pips, easy. So just have an alert, or I think if you go on your phone, if people have got iPhone, I don't know about what's it called? What am I saying? There's an app called is it Stinu? No, is it Stinu? No, it's not Stinu. Basically, I'll try and put it on my Instagram. There's an app where it gives you notifications for GJ and stuff like that, and it just messages you. Whereas TradingView, you can only do one unless you buy it, and for buying that. So yeah. So look at this now, guys. The daily's going to be flipping bullish again. The daily's going to be flipping bullish. Let's see where the daily is on GJ. Still bearish, not too bad. I'll pull down again. Pull down again, boy. So would I be looking at any more trades here? Not really, because the 30 minutes closed bullish. We're on support here, as you can see. So probably not. Probably not at this point. 28 likes in the stream, guys. Sheesh. Look at this hourly. Yeah, so look at that. Closures are lovely. Yeah, Stinu is a lot size calculator. It's a different name. I forgot what it's called. Guys, let's have a look for next week then. Let's see what we've got. Some fun stuff. So let's have a look here. GPY. Shift unemployment rate for China. Nothing much really. GBP right move HPI. That doesn't really change much. 7 a.m. on Tuesday we got unemployment rate. That'll be interesting. It's funny how our news really doesn't affect stuff. Oh, CPI on 7 a.m. I may do a 6:45 one for that, because I know CPI actually does affect it. Would you guys like that? Would you guys be up for that? Or are you guys way too tired for 6:45 start? 29 likes in the chat, bro. Let's get them like. If you guys don't like the stream already, make sure you like it straight away, guys. Managing risk. I want to get 35 likes. 35 likes. That'd be fire. 35 likes in the stream. So would you guys like that? Me to do news here? That'd be fun. Bit of news. Look here. Unemployment claims, all that good stuff. And then Friday, retail sales. So it's not too bad. Quite a nice thing. Wow, guys, 30 likes in the chat. Well done. When was your first withdrawal from Forex? Oh, probably like 2 years ago? 3 years ago? 2 years ago? Yeah, boy. First one. 15. So we've got 9 minutes left to close, but unfortunately the 30-minute is doing it, and also the other hourly's closed below though. That's quite good. It's just this little area we have here, which is rather annoying. But closures below in the 15-minute, I may try and re-enter. No, wait, you're on chart 645. Fucking hell. Bro, I don't know why you do that, bro. The only reason why I do that is because of news. But normally, no. Let's go 7 a.m. today. Not too fair. There's quite a lot of movements here. Quite a lot of movements. But normally there isn't. So why would I get up earlier? Fuck that. I'd rather just wait until 8 o'clock, and 8 o'clock the volume comes. Really, most days. Hello, hello, chat. Hello. If anyone plays CS:GO as well, give me a buzz. I want to play some CS:GO tonight. Holy shit. CS:GO, boy. So it looks like we're coming down again, guys. Shock. And I bet if this runs without me, bro, I'm going to wait 8 minutes for this closure, though. Because taking the exact same trade and not knowing what you did wrong is stupid. I should just wait for this closure. Even a 30-minute closure, to be honest. But we don't have enough time for that, really. But the 4 hours looking good, though. But I am also wary about this 4-hour support right here. So maybe later on, there could be some nice trades. Remember also, like at 9:30 or at 10 o'clock, you know, volume does start to die down until NY. So try not to take any trades in that time. You know, it's just wasting your time. And yeah, who's here? Who in here has found me from YouTube? I want to know if I can do anything to make myself more what's it called? Make myself better on the YouTube space, because I want people to be able to click on my things and just see me for the first time and go, oh wow, who the fuck's this kid? And then like they come here like, oh shit, this guy does it. Oh bro, what is that centering? I need to fix that. If you haven't followed me already on Instagram, make sure you do. I get some. Let's look back. So many. I do a lot of stories now. Actually, I do enjoy them. The good stuff. So a couple of days ago, I had 428 subscribers. Now let's see how many I have now, because we're growing. We're growing as a team. 445. Amazing stuff. That's class. That's class. 28 people watching right now. Ho ho ho. Yeah, so 6 minutes time this is gonna do. It's just a 30 minutes bearish, bullish though. The hourly's alright though, which isn't too bad. So who took losing trades today? Stop loss Myers is a winner, to be honest. Oh, the name Stop loss Myers is a winner, to be Bro, I thought of that in like fucking 10 minutes. Like, I just like sat my bed. I was like, oh, I kind of want to make an Instagram and kind of help people. And then, bro, Stop loss Myers just came to me. Because it does matter, pretty much. It's like the obvious. Because I saw Riders Wicks Don't Lie. I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. I was like, what could mine be? I was like, what's really important? I was like, stop loss is pretty important. So stop loss matters. It kind of rolls as well. Stop loss matters. It's quite I do like it. It's pretty cool. I didn't want like fucking like these FX, max FX. Like, you know what I mean? It's just like look, I could just do this, the stereotypical max FX, and sell you a signal, but that's just boring, bro. I'm not fucking like that. I'm not boring. I'm different. Like FXing, it just I don't know. Just like FX, like no fucking shit. Like you trade forex, good for you. Like I don't know, like just doesn't entice me. Like if I typed in, like, fucking let's go on Instagram here. Oh, why is every time I press a space bar it goes to fucking footsie? It's really annoying. Oh wait, that's a different chart. Here. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, so if I go on Instagram, right, and type in FX, right. I suppose for searching and stuff, it kind of does help because, like, you know, like people are like, oh shit, like this guy, the guy's teaching FX, but like I don't want someone like that. I don't want these fucking people who just want help. Like, why doesn't it let me just search FX and like other people come up? Oh no, you can't do that on Instagram, can you? But look at that. I mean, like fucking hell. For Forex billionaire. Like, it's just like, bruh. Like, no hate, but like, if you can't see that this is just marketing, it fucking hurts. Look how many likes he gets for that. Bro, let me take a picture and let me do that. If I was a bit younger, bro, and I was in holiday places, bro, I could have milked that. Like, I was in Dubai like every 3 weeks. I could have been in Dubai taking pictures. Got some rich friends over there. I just take some pictures in their back garden and shit. Just mad. But people like it. People really think like they're doing something. So, whereas mine is actually showing how the fuck you do it. Look at that. I love that shit. Now I wish I drew those candles with that new one, this bad lad, but now I can. This one here. Ooh, that's silky smooth. But yeah, I think just be careful. Don't try and like get into this Instagram space and try and like find people that you kind of. Oh god, not this fucking guy. I'm not even gonna talk about this guy. People know how much hate I have for him. Okay, so 2 minutes time we are gonna get a close below. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I'm waiting for a closure and then I'm going to make a top wick and then I may try and enter again. Maybe. But if it runs off without me now, that's fine. I've already tried once. I ain't trying again. I'm waiting for a close, bro. Close, top wicket, and maybe 2-4 is what I'd like. And then we drop, flip. That'd be nice. So it'd be like a 4-pip stop again. So yeah, with the flipping the candles as well, you expect the momentum to push you above, like away from the zone. That's kind of what you want to do. Is GU coming down again? GU is nowhere near yet. So 1 minute 50 time, guys. Wow, chat's gone quiet, bro. Where's the chat gone? Where's the chat gone? To be fair, we actually had a lot of people. I had a lot of people talking today. To be fair, good stuff. If the current 1 hour candle on gold closes decent, we look for a solid play because we also be a new 4 hour. We need a good low wick. I wouldn't touch gold now until NY because the fact that I know volume isn't here at this point. Volume never comes between these time zones. I'd wait until either 11:30 or probably 1:30 for the momentum, because gold I want momentum. I don't want to be in it for long. But for that Wendy, you could happily do that. Look at this. This is why I wait for candles to close. Come on, get this closure, boy. Look at all these wicks there. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. But do they all close? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. So that one actually did close. This one didn't exceed the low. So this one closed, made a wick up, and then exceeded, and that was the trade. Which barely hit. Oh no, it did nearly. Have to see. Oh my god. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look how many wicks we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wowza. So to make sure I am in this properly, and it's my second trade of the day, I'll be waiting for this closure. A top wick. If there's no top wick and not a nice one, I don't care, because you need to be careful with stuff like that. Nice closure. Okay, that's beautiful. But 5 minute choppy. Hasn't made a bottom wick though. This is good. I'd rather it run up quite a lot and then flip. But I'm also curious about this wicks here, so I might just watch this. Two trades on a Friday where one of them hasn't going well. It's quite risky. Want to finish off with a nice positive weeks. Yeah, this 4 hour, it's got an hour and 44 left. But yeah, I'd definitely wait until price gets back up to those levels. 100%, 100%. Look at this now. So made a top wick here. Should continue. I will not be in this trade, unfortunately, but it should come now. Stop loss is 10 pips. Should come down here. The reason why I'm not in this is because I took it before and the top wick is not good. And there's so many wicks. The 5 minute we haven't actually broke yet, so but it should be looking good now. There we go. And the 30 minute hasn't closed either, so yeah, for me there's no trade here. This close though is solid. I think people could take this, but for me now I won't be looking at this. But look at this zone here. 17 pip drop. There we go. So when it gets to this zone here, you'd have your stop loss at break even. So shock, the trade I wanted to get into did well, but still here, yeah, it's risky. It's very, very risky because of these zones here. The support here is really, really solid. I'd stay out of this because the 30 minute hasn't closed. So even though we've got a 50 minute close below, to get more confirmation when time frames are really, really holding the strong support, wait until you get a closure on the 30 minute about here. Then this would be nice for price to continue down like this. That would be the nice move. That would be the delicious move, in fact. 30 viewers, man. Jeez. But yeah, guys, I'm here every single morning. If you guys haven't subscribed and put the bells on, make sure you do, because you get like notifications when I stream, which is every morning, every weekday. Sorry. But yeah, so the main thing we were talking about here was GJ sells. GU sells, there's still none at all because we haven't closed below this region here, which is fine, completely fine. And now we've had an hourly bullish close, so all I say is just buys above this region here. Like here. So buys above this region here would be really, really good. And then sells below here would be really, really good as well. Oh, get this fucking advert off. Where the fuck is this advert, bro? Where the hell is this advert? Right there. Get off. Let's get back to that chart. So sells below 1.3800. That'll be beautiful. And then what we're going to do, guys, we look left for zones that we're going to fill. So, very clean candles here. I actually really like this. See you later, Tom. Have a great weekend, bro. Great weekend. Adios, amigos. So, this is actually very, very, very good potential here. If we do get closures below here, the next zones, can you say, are here? And this is 22 pips. Then runners can go even further. Tap this kind of level here. These levels here, I'd say. Which is another 30 pips. So we've got some big zones to fill if we do break 13800 here. That'll be really, really nice. For sure, for sure. Yeah. So sells below here. Let's do the sells below. Gorgeous. So yeah, we just have to wait for that. And the same with GJ and stuff. So just have your alerts. So this is still running now. You need at a 5 minute closure now. But for me, still not, because the 30 minute hasn't closed yet. In 9 minutes time it will. So yeah, I mean this. So let's have a look at this week. Right, let's have a look at this week. How much growth we've been doing here, guys. So this week we've done loads of trades. I think I've done about 4 or 5, 6. I think 6 trades actually. let's have a look at this now. So we're growing amazingly. Have a look at content here. So views right now, 220 views, amazing stuff. We've got 30 likes. Yesterday we had 42. It was a bigger day. 300 likes, amazing stuff. So you can see we're growing. So at the start here, we had 96 and 8 likes. Now if you go further along, we're reaching about 220 with 30 likes. This is called growth. Oh yeah. And look, for a bit of motivation, look, monetization, we're coming up, nice. But look at the views in the past couple of days though. Fuck. Nice. Beautiful trades. Taken all day, every day on the stream. But all it is price action and using, you know, you kind of knowledge and stuff like that. It's really not hard. You can see we're going to be leaving this zone now. Exceeded the low the previous as well, which is good. The hourly's exceeded the low. The 4 hours bearish. The daily's bearish. The 4 hour has 38 minutes left. So if you are trying to look for a trade, I'd advise not to, because the 4 hour needs to make a top wick in 38 minutes time. But if you're still in a trade here, wow, it's just going to drop. Nice. Nice. So look here, this is a time where if you're in a trade right now, you need to start looking at getting out, because, or not getting out, or taking profit, sorry. Because if you look here, we have these long wicks. So here, question mark. We don't know how far this is going to pull down, but at the moment it's looking nice, good trajectory. So if you're in this trade right now, you'd be running about 5 pips, not too bad. I'd have my stops to break even with this trade. Don't want it this candle. Why would I want this candle to flip again? I wouldn't. So this would be stop loss to break even at this point here, and just waiting for candles to run down. Yeah, about 5 pips of profit if you were in this trade here. We're coming down though now, exceeding this, but still got a long way to go. So it's right at the end of this wick here. But this zone right here, wow. So if you got in at 8 o'clock, these runners would have been delicious. So a 5-minute candle close below there was quite good as well. Yeah, we're doing well here now. Lovely. So let's have a look at GU here. Are we still coming down yet or not? No. So it's really waiting for volume here. Is there anything later on today? What day is it today? I literally have no idea what day it is today. 13th. It's a bit of USD, but nothing too important really. So yeah, price is definitely going to continue down to our next zone here, which is beautiful end off to the week. So finally we've actually got past this fucking dreadful zone up here. Finally starting to get some volume in. Beautiful. And this 8 o'clock, whew, gorgeous. So impulsive there would have been nice, and now runners, if you kept the runner on there, oh, that would have been nice. All the way down, bro. I'd have my TP here, for sure. This candle's going to close in 5 minutes time, and the 30-minute candle is going to close in 5 minutes time. So what I expect the 30-minute candle to look like now is this. This one closes, we make a top wick up, so like this. Then when we start exceeding down, like this. The fuck? Why can't I draw anymore? Ah, shit, okay. I need to get used to that one. That one's ass. Then comes up again, and then fills this wick, and that'll be the end of the stream for GJ. Not stream, end of the week. At the end of the week, and it'll be gorgeous. But it's right at that wick, which is interesting. If you push down, it should be good. But yeah, stop loss break even, I'd have it right now, for sure, because of these wicks. But with momentum and London Open, we should still continue back down this level, which is another 16 pips away, which is fire. Let's have a look at gold. Is gold making any support yet or doing anything? No, gold's got a lot of very small amount of volume. Completely fine. completely fine. Come on, so TP would be here for 10 pips. That wouldn't be too shabby. He's gonna flip here and stop pushing down. That'll be great. Right, what time is it here now? So guys, thank you very much for joining the stream. We've had a great week. If you guys have enjoyed the stream, please make sure to like the video. It really helps me out to get up on the YouTube playlist. So before you go, make sure to like the stream. Let's try and get 60 likes, and I'll do something next week. A giveaway or something. We've got 29 views in the chat. Let's get that up to like 40 likes. That'll be sick to end off the week. I'll be buzzing. I want to do also, guys, would you guys be game to do a like drinking and like vibing, like on a live stream, like a vibing on like the weekends? I'd do that. Just vibing, talk about trades, talk about random stuff. I'd like that. I think that would be pretty fire. So yeah, guys, make sure you mark your charts up like this and wait for later on. And there will be moves. For sure. But yeah, guys, if you like the stream, thank you very, very much. Up to it, yeah, man. Let's have like a drinking kind of vibey. Get some pints in. That'll be good. But yeah, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to do it. As always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next stream on Monday, for sure. Okay, guys. See you later. Love yous. Bye.